Hey everyone, CNC Keith here. I've got the Centroid TT2 automatic tool measuring device set up in the spindle, and I'm going to use it to touch off this tool and measure the X and Z offsets all at the same time. I'm in the Centroid CNC 12 CNC software tool library. I'm going to choose F7, measure Z and X at the same time, and I'm going to position the tool using the MPG on X here, and I'm going to jog it in a little bit, and I'm going to move it over to Z. Okay, so there we are, lined up, ready to go, and I'm going to press F7, measure Z and X, and then cycle start. You can hit the cycle start on the VCP or down here on the MPG, and the automatic probing cycle will begin. And there it is, touching off. It touches off 2 times. Comes in at the fast probing rate and then moves in at the slow probing rate to get a very accurate measurement of when the probe triggers. Here it is coming in on the X. Okay, that's all there is to it. I just set these 2 offsets, the X, that's the X offset, and the Z offset, both at the same time for this tool 17. Now to do the next tool, I would just jog the machine or the tool out of the way. I'm going to use the MPG, change the tool, and run that cycle again for the next tool.